baby, here we go.
So, in your kit you should have a cutting blade, alcohol wipes. Please make sure you watch this video before attempting, as there's a couple of good tips even for those that aren't familiar with wrapping. We know these kits can be fitted correctly if you do 100% follow the instructions the best you can, or feel free to contact us if you want any fitting advice, because we're just here to help. We've done a lot of research and testing into this vinyl before making these kits. The vinyl we use is a high grade external vinyl wrap made from KPMF. It's high tack, bubble free, and it's not just a cheap vinyl that you can buy off eBay. We've tested these kits in all sorts of scenarios, so whilst fitting these, we know they go on great with some patience. To ensure long lasting and great colour, please avoid polishing these, obviously, because you will get white marks and stuff. So make sure the area that you're going to apply the vinyl in is clean and dust and dirt and water free, as you don't want to mess up wrapping your trim.
Right, today we're going to be fitting the Mini Bitz boot handle wrapping kit. As you can see, it will be appropriate for any boot handle we're going to demonstrate on an R53 here, just because it wants it doing anyway. The kit will come with a vinyl, the wipes, a cutting blade. You will need your own scissors and hairdryer to do this. So first of all, we're just going to start by cleaning it up. Basically give it a good clean all the way around, do around the edges, concentrating on the back edges there. Just get the edges, because that's the only bit, if you do have any problems, they're the only bits that are going to peel, so you can see what's come off. Not good. So we'll go again with that. Right, so you can see all nicely cleaned up. So first of all, you're going to peel your paper, peel the vinyl off as so. Hopefully it don't flick over. So we're going to lie this on the floor, vinyl on there, stick your side up. And you're basically going to get this, centralise it, so obviously it's in the centre there, and just tap it down like that. At that point we can flip it back over and you can see we can start working it. Lauren's going to get me some heat now with the hairdryer, just to put on there, and you'll see as we work from the middle there, slowly going down, and just work to the main area of it all the way down. You don't need to do any stretching or anything at this point. Obviously at this point, if you did go wrong, for instance if you did this and you had a big bubble, peel it back up, stretch it over like that, one wipe round, done. Simple as. I know I make it look easy doing it like that, but that's as easy as it is. So for the other bit now, I'm just going to get all that nicely tucked in all the way around, and all we're simply going to do is trim off this area here now. Leave about, I don't know, half a centimetre over, just enough to get that pull over there. So as you can see, all trimmed down. We've just speeded that bit up a little bit. So again, a bit of hairdryer on here. Always work on the non-sticky side, so you can put it back down like this. So Lauren, if you just whacked up there. So all we're doing at this point is just curving over them edges there. Again, don't have to do it, stretch it or anything. You can see it just literally just folds down on itself once it's warm. So we'll leave that end, I'll show you why in a minute. So we'll just get them nicely curved round, turn it over, do it again. That bit. Again, just fold it all over so you've got no creasy bubbles. Right, so you've got it to a point where you've just folded it over roughly, so basically your face of it now is all nice. So the first bit to concentrate on, this is the important bit. Grab your little tab you've got there, nice and warm, because this is the only bit where it'll need properly stretching. Just keep that under the heat so it goes pretty floppy like this. And then obviously all you want to do is pull it against itself there. I don't know if you can get that in the video, but you can see it shaped itself, and once it sets, it will keep that sort of shape. Now you can go back with your scissors and just trim that bit off. like so. And then we have some more heat. So work from that point, starting on that point. So all you're going to do is just pull it against it and fold it under. Pull it there and fold it under. And you can see there, just get a bit of shape. And you can see there, we work from this end, you can see it's just going to pull perfectly round the back. And that bit will just tuck nicely there. If obviously you do get any bits across here now, what you're going back on, if you want to be really perfect, just peel it up like that. You can even take it right off, just pull it back round. Very easy to work with, like I say, that is it. And then all you do is go round it all, just make sure it's all right, and there you are. Perfectly wrapped Bootlid handle.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history.